up though out there, YouTube family? It's your man Jay Hustle back at it again. And this time we're gonna be talking about Eastern region. So I'm out in the Eastern region of Ghana. And anybody ever been to Ghana, Eastern region, I'm talking about the mountain area in the Eastern region. Well, out there just looking for content, checking out things, you know, and ran into some people that told us about a waterfall. And I've never been to a waterfall, actual waterfall in real life. So I decided to, look and investigate a little more and find, and check this waterfall out. So we decided to do some investigation, find out it was an actual waterfall. So we decided to leave and check this waterfall out. So without further ado, we're gonna get into the video. So we finally get to our destination, and we see a house and some young kids in front. So we asked one of them, where was the waterfall? So one of them decided to volunteer and take us down to this waterfall. Didn't know it was going to be a 2-mile hike down a trail to get to this waterfall. But nevertheless, we trying to get this content, y'all. So let's get it.
She's saying there's a lion at the top.
A lion?
Yeah.
A real lion?
Yeah. At the top, but we won't go there. Just the waterfall.
I hear somebody.
What?
I hear somebody.
Yeah.
Alright, YouTube family, we're going to wrap this one up. Remember, educate, cultivate, demonstrate. So we're going to see y'all on another one. Alright, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll see y'all in the next video.